Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore the SPY ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since November 5th, 2024, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.03. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 2.41%. This results in an average return of 0.20% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a modest upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 7.23% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 4.25% to 9.53%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of around 26.38% over the next year, with possible returns between 18.88% and 28.89%. This would mean a price range of approximately $701.99 to $761.11 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY reveals an interesting headline: a green day on Wednesday for the SPY ETF, following a gain of 0.35%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, the SPY ETF price increased by 0.35%, moving from $590.31 to $590.52. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be intriguing to see if this upward trend continues or if a slight pause occurs in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.05%, with a low of $584.63 and a high of $590.79. Notably, the price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days, although it remains down by 0.09% over that period. The trading volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a favorable technical indicator, with a total of 2 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 42 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $24.570 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $600.17, while the lowest price was $453.34. Currently, the price sits 1.61%, or $9.65, below the 52-week high of $600.17, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. Recent analysis suggests a bullish outlook for the SPY ETF, with projections indicating significant growth in the S&P 500 over the next year. Analysts from Wells Fargo have revised their 2025 target upward, citing a strong economy and anticipated policy changes under the Trump administration, which may influence specific sectors tied to government spending and regulations. Furthermore, Evercore ISI predicts the S&P 500 could reach 6,600 by mid-2025, viewing the current market phase as a strategic digestion period following recent electoral outcomes. In addition, the S&P 500 is showing resilience, bouncing back from recent low points and potentially positioning itself for substantial gains in 2024. Key tech earnings reports, particularly from NVIDIA, are expected to play a critical role in driving market momentum and investor sentiment, especially within the AI sector. Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley also support the bullish sentiment, forecasting an ascent to 6,500 by the end of 2025 due to overall economic growth and stronger corporate earnings. This optimistic outlook for SPY and the broader market reflects confidence in an extended bull cycle, suggesting that short-term volatility may pave the way for longer-term gains. Investors should remain attentive to macroeconomic trends and corporate earnings that could sway market dynamics in both the near and distant future. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the ETF, providing a positive outlook. Should the ETF experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $591.73. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $582.44. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, November 11th, 2024, and so far, it has decreased by 1.37%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been identified. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots revealed a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger showed a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average issued a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a buy 12 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 75 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 249 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $570.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the last day, the fund experienced a movement of $6.16 between its high and low, translating to 1.05%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the fund has been 0.98%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $591.05. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $570.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $567.39, representing a decline of 3.92%. This exchange-traded fund experiences minimal daily fluctuations, resulting in a low-risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally favorable trend, suggest that the current levels may present a buying opportunity. there is a reasonable chance for SPY ETF to perform well in the near future. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of November, we anticipate that SPY will open lower by $1.87, starting at $588.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.